Hey guys, it's Nicole, your go-to Bulacan realtor. If you are looking for an elegant, single-attached house and lot up to 5 bedrooms with spacious garden area, car garage, and of course, spacious balcony, bonus pa na may attic room ang house and lot na ito. We are here in Amaresa, Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilo, Bulacan, and for today, it's very special for Alexandria model, updated sample computation, house tour, anatomy, unit specification. So come with me today, guys, and discover Alexandria model here in Amaresa. Welcome to Alexandria model. Nakita nyo naman guys kung gaano kalaki ang lot area at floor area ng ating Alexandria. Pagpasok mo pa lang guys, kung ikaw yung fan ng spacious living area, ito na yon. Tignan nyo guys kung gaano kalaki yung ginamit nating furniture or sofa dito guys, pero kasyang-kasya pa rin. This is a complete finish turnover, meaning to say paglipat mo, gamit na lang. Meron na siyang 60 by 60 na tiles at ceiling, painted na siya, naka-partition na, may fixtures na, may kitchen na. At later on guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung kanyang, di ba, yung iba kasi medyo technical sa atin, gusto malaman yung unit specifications. I'll show it to you later, okay? The good thing about Alexandria, maliban sa ang dami niyang window, so full of natural light, meron siyang lanay. So, this is our lanay, guys, okay? Kaya pwede ka pa talagang mag-garden dyan. Tapos, ito ang ating 6-seater dining table. So, this is very good for big family or growing family. At syempre, yung ating kitchen top dito, guys, ay extra long, diba? If you love cooking, you will enjoy Alexandria model kasi, guys, napakalaki talaga ng kitchen space natin. Tapos, kasama tong mga cabinet sa baba. Okay? Pero yung sa top, sa dress-up model lang siya. And this space, pwede mong paglagyan ng fridge. Kung two-door yung fridge, okay lang. Pwede mo naman siyang ipwesto ng pagganito. Depende yan kung paano mo i-design ang iyong interior. At syempre guys, we have a room over here. So, our first room, depende sa'yo kung gagawin mo siyang helper's room or small workout room. Katulad nito, ginawang workout room. Pero depende yun sa'yo kung anong gagawin mo. Kasi up to 5 naman yung rooms dito eh. And itong space na to, masyado siyang malaki actually, yung sa baba ng hagdan. Kaya pwede ka pa dito magpa-customize ng storage underneath your stairs. And here, your room number 2, room number 2, ginawa siyang piano room. Pero nakita nyo, malaki pa rin siya. So, if you have an elderly in your family, pwede itong maging bedroom din sa baba. Okay? Or guest room. At ito yung ating first toilet and shower na elegant, malaki, at may mga fixtures na upon turnover. O, diba guys? Let's go to the second floor of Alexandria. Ganito na rin po yung turnover ng kanyang stairs as what you see in the video. So, sa ating second floor, meron tayong 3 bedrooms. So, let's go to the bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 is really spacious. Pwede dito ang double bed, kahit queen size bed, tapos maglagay ka pa ng study table, ng closet, maluwag pa rin po siya. And bedroom number 4 is here. For the bedroom number 4, nakita nyo naman yung ginawa nating design, di ba? Ang laki ng bed, dalawa pa yan, no? Parang pull up. So, Alexandria, dahil ang laki niya talaga, guys. 1, 2, 3. Kahit more than, if you are a family of more than 6 or to 8 people, okay lang. Pwedeng-pwede pa rin kayo sa Alexandria and it won't feel crowded. Kasi malaki po talaga yung floor area natin. Marami tayong bedrooms, marami tayong bathrooms in total. up to 5 bedrooms, and 3 toilet and bath. This is our bathroom number 2. Ayan siya guys. Ayan, as you can see, napakalawag po ng ating shower area. At tignan nyo naman to guys. Yung space natin sa hallway. Dahil spacious siya, pwede ka pang maglagay dito ng accent table like this one. Some paint over here. And dito guys, luwag pa, di ba? Ito yung way natin sa balcony area. Pero let's go to the master's muna. Master's bedroom na may hallway effect na ganito at sa kaliwa mo bubungad sa iyo ang napakaluwag na toilet and bathroom. Alam mo ba? Parang ano to, kasya dito yung bed. Pero CR mo lang to sa master's bedroom. O, di ba? Kung ikaw yung tipong talagang mahilig ka magstay ng matagal sa banyo, tapos gusto mo yung maluwag talaga yung CR mo, yung shower mo, guys, can you see this? Yes, ganyan po siya kalaki. Yan siya kaluwag na kahit maglagay ka ng double bed. Parang size pa to ng double bed eh. At napakataas po ng ceiling. Master's bedroom, toilet, and shower mo yan dito sa Alexandria. At ito na yung pinaka-bedroom mo. Diba? Lagay ka dito ng magandang paint. And then here is your classy, elegant master's bedroom for Alexandria model na para kang nasa 5-star hotel. Depends how you design your interior. Kasi tignan mo, pwede ka pang malaglagay dito ng yan, television, Netflix, and chill. So ito guys, ang maluwag mong master's bedroom for Alexandria model. Can you imagine that? Let's go to the balcony at meron pa tayong attic. Ito muna tayo sa balcony guys. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Lalakaran ko siya guys kasi gusto ko makita nyo kung gaano ka-spacious yung ating balcony area. Na pwede kang magpa-party. Yung tipong maglagay ka dyan ng inflatable pool o mag-pool party kayo, mag-barbecue party kayo. Whatever you wanna do, diba? And here guys, this is not a 3rd floor, but we call it an attic. Okay? So, welcome to your attic. Ano ba ang pwedeng gawin sa attic? So, ito yung pwede mong gawin sa yung attic area. And for the model of Alexandria, ginawa siyang malaking entertainment room. Malaki talaga. Tingnan naman to guys. Look how huge our television is, oh. Pag may visitor ka, kahit 10 pa yang bisita mo, oh, magtipon-tipon kayong lahat dito. Pwede kayo mag-video, okay, or just watch Netflix, or play some games. Yeah, play some games. While here, you can have some drinks, relax, and snacks, and whatever. Diba guys, can you see? Can you see the beauty of Alexandria model? Dito lang yan guys, sa Amaresa in Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. Let's talk about the location. Let's say you are not familiar with the area. We are very close to Quezon City and Metro Manila because we are just 20 minutes to Marilao exit. So, NLEX. Kaya 30 minutes nasaan ka na? Nasa Balintawak ka na, nasa QC ka na in 30 minutes. Nasa Makati ka na, 40 minutes, diba? NLEX Skyway, nasa airport ka na, less than an hour. Diba guys? So, this is a very good location. And the good thing, this is the non-flooded area of Loma de Gato, Marilao. So, yun siya guys, diba? Importante kasi yun. So, itong ating subdivision, very exclusive. We have complete amenities like swimming pool, clubhouse, our security, 24/7 and very strict din po yung guard rito. Kaya, sabihin nun, bawal mag-walk-in, di ba? Now, let's talk about the computation. I want you to see the sample computation of Alexandria model. Okay, yan siya, guys. Yan. So, yung computation na yan, guys, pre-selling yan. Meaning to say, for construction. Ang maganda, hindi mo kailangang mag-cash out. Hindi mo kailangan ng 1 million agad or ilang million agad. You don't need because this is installment. reservation muna to secure the slot dahil first come, first serve. Very limited. Baka less than less than 5 na nga lang din eh, or baka 3 yung slots. Mamili ka lang doon. And then pag nakapili ka na secure the slot, after 1 month, your down payment will start. Okay, you see the down payment there, the options. And then after that, hindi naman magsasabay sa bank financing yan. Matagal pa si bank. Kailangan full DP ka muna and constructed yung unit. So, ganun siya guys. Kung yung income mo pasok dyan sa pinapakita ko na proof of income, then you can contact me right now. My Viber and WhatsApp number showing on the screen, guys. Yan, sabihin mo lang Alexandria model, okay? Kasi maraming model sa Amaresa. So, Alexandria model. Yan, i-mention mo lang yan, guys, para masendan na kita ng sample computation din. And of course, I can call you. We can schedule a tripping at least 1 to 2 days before. Kasi again, bawal mag-walk-in. Strictly no walk-ins, okay? So, that's my Viber WhatsApp number if you are using Messenger, Facebook, okay? You see on the screen yung aking naka-blue check yan, legit yan. Yung aking Facebook account, naka-verified account po yan. Same profile picture to my profile picture here in my YouTube channel. Kaya alam mong ako yan. O, diba guys? Kontakin nyo na ako kaagad, mention Alexandria Maro, so that we can schedule a tripping or do your online reservation or virtual tripping. Everything is online, okay? So, pwede yan, guys. If you have any other questions, contact me, of course. That's all you needed to know. Guys, thank you for joining with me sa house tour natin kay Alexandria Model na talaga namang pinakamalaki at pinakamaganda dito sa Amaresa. 'Di ba? At dahil bilang lang yung mga, parang ano yan eh, many are called but few are chosen, di ba? Bilang lang po yung Alexandria dito. Baka akala nyo napakadaming Alexandria. No. Karamihan sa kanila talaga guys ay yung mga corner unit, mga malalaking area. So guys, if you are capable and yung income mo pasok doon sa pinakita ko sample computation, then I invite you to see it for yourself. Up close and personal, diba? So I hope to see you all guys. And again, my name is Nicole. Don't forget to hit like and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel for all updates here in Bulacan area. Thank you guys for watching. Let's go and have a nice day.